or C. Okay, we are here in Bali getting dropped off at the check-in point. Beautiful airport. Going to the check-in counter now. See how painless this is. Hopefully it's not too painful. I'm going to be going on a Singapore Airlines business class flight. So it shouldn't be too bad, right? It's a 2-hour and 30-minute flight. Ticket was a decent price. Try and make a video on that also. Check in. Let's see. See here. Okay, so you do have to go through a security check to get into the check-in counters. And they just basically run your items through there and bada bing, bada boom, you're in. Now I've got to find Singapore Airlines business class. Here we go. There's Emirates, great airline too. Bali is a nice airport so far, I'm gonna have to say. Okay, so I just checked in. Now I am headed to the security checkpoint here. Very modern, efficient airport here. Check-in with Singapore was a breeze. Like I said, I'm going to be making a video about the first class, business class experience, I should say, with Singapore. Okay, well, that was the worst part, was going through the immigration line. And that only took about 15 minutes, maybe less. They basically look at your passport and stamp it. That's it. I never understand why some countries, especially tourist destinations, do that to the people leaving their country, where they put you in a long line for exit. That's like not the way you want to send people off, in my opinion. Singapore knows how to do it. They just basically process you through an automated system that's literally so super fast. We need more countries like Singapore. But Indonesia's immigration processing isn't that bad. It's just not as good as it could be. But here's the airport. I do love Bali. Big fan of Bali. Didn't really want to leave, but they only give you 30 days here. Can't stay forever. And I gotta keep the journey moving. What we got going on here? Alright. Didn't see anything I necessarily needed. Concourse, they got upstairs. Just kind of looking around what's up there. Takeaway corner. Deus Ex Machina. Quicksilver.
Your attention please.
Quicksilver is definitely set up in Bali. And more Quicksilver is here. I've not seen anywhere else. Hello. Hello. Let's see. Singapore will be going gate 4. But I do got lounge access with Singapore Airlines. Yeah, nice airport. Very clean. Gate 3. Oh wow, the plane's already here. You can barely see it. Yeah, that's the plane. Leaves in 2 hours. So that's good, we won't be delayed. But yeah, I'll keep cruising around the airport here, showing you what's going on. Lounges, Premier Lounge. Okay, we're headed to the Premier Lounge. Yep. Busy airport. Okay. Found my own little piece of heaven. Infused water. That's good. It's pretty good. Thank you, boss. Okay. So I got a gin and Coke. No, rum and Coke. So I just want to say something about flying on Singapore Airlines. It is definitely an elite airline, whether you're flying economy or business. I flew economy here to Bali, and I'm flying business back to Singapore from Bali. Just because I want to see the experience difference. I should have actually filmed the economy experience, but it was just more space, leg room, a meal. It's only a 2 hour and 15-minute flight, which is longer than what I prefer. I definitely like those 1 hour flights. Seems like even if the destination is a short distance, they still find a way to make it an hour flight. Like Kuala Lumpur to Singapore, definitely further away than Bali to Singapore by a long shot. They even make that flight an hour. So sometimes I think they just fly it at slower airspeed because they need to, or have to justify that, even though they could fly faster. Let's see here. But yeah, we're headed to the check-in counter. I gotta go to the toilet before I get on there because I don't want to be that guy who's drank 2 rum and Cokes plus a water and have to go to the bathroom right when we're on the tarmac. Okay. Let's see, gate 5. Oh, gate 4 is over here. Ooh. Am I late?
Penumpang pesawat udara Singapore Airlines dengan nomor penerbangan
Business class has a line.
tujuan Singapura.
Long line.
7 leaving for Singapore. Please board the aircraft to gate number 4. Thank you.
Turns out I was early. We do have a long line.
S Q C Papa Pitu.
Hello.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. On our way. It's a 787 today. Business class has a different boarding area. Good, sir. Morning. Hello.
Welcome aboard. You know your seat number, sir?
20A.
straight down this way.
Thank you. Alright. Purposely picked this one. I don't know if the back is the best, but we'll do it. You can see the configuration on this 787. 121. So looks like they got pillow, blanket. It's only a 2.5 hour flight.